In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WordPress with EasyWP from Namecheap. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Namecheap website. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one. Just click on the Sign Up button at the top right of the page and follow the prompts. If you already have an account, just log in using your credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to the top menu where you'll find the Hosting option. Hover over it and you'll see a drop-down menu. From there, click on EasyWP. This is the managed WordPress hosting service provided by Namecheap, and it's designed to make your WordPress installation as straightforward as possible. On the EasyWP page, you'll see various plans available, including monthly and annual options. Take a moment to assess which plan suits your needs best. Once you've decided, click on Get Started under the plan of your choice. This will take you to a new page where you can set up your EasyWP account. Now, you'll need to choose a domain for your WordPress site. If you already own a domain through Namecheap, you can select it from the list provided. If not, you can purchase a new domain right there. Just enter your desired domain name and follow the prompts to check its availability. Once you have your domain secured, click on Continue. Next, you'll enter your payment details. Fill in all the required information and once confirmed, click on the Pay Now button. After the purchase is successful, you will be redirected to your EasyWP dashboard. Here's where the magic happens. You should see an option labeled Create a New Site. Click on that and you'll be prompted to choose a name for your WordPress site. Give it a unique title that reflects what your site will be about. Then, click Next. The next step is crucial. You'll choose whether you want a fresh installation or to migrate an existing site. For our case, simply select the option for a new installation. The system will automatically set up your WordPress instance, which usually takes just a few moments. Once everything is set up, you'll receive your WordPress admin login details. Make sure to jot that down, as it will be essential for accessing your WordPress dashboard later on. After you've noted that down, click on the Access WordPress Admin button. You'll be taken directly to your WordPress dashboard. Congratulations, you've successfully installed WordPress using EasyWP from Namecheap. Now you can start customizing your site by selecting a theme, adding plugins, and creating content. For themes, visit the Appearance tab on the left sidebar of your dashboard. Click on Themes, and you can explore both free and premium options to find the perfect look for your site. Don't forget to tweak the settings to make it truly yours. And that's it for today's video. Installing WordPress with EasyWP from Namecheap really is that simple. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, remember to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on building your online presence. See you next time.